Now, next question 6.26 example problem. Previously, the local maximum minimum. Local maximum minimum asking. But here, the absolute maximum minimum. We have only one problem. Mind it. This is part of 5%. The example problem only this model. No excess for this model. Local maximum minimum, some other idea. This is not absolute maximum minimum, or otherwise global maximum minimum. This is a concept. What is the working the same previous idea only? What is given? The first rate is equal to, sorry, f of is given. Am I right? This is given. Now, previous idea, differentiate one time. Differentiate with respect to x. What is the answer? F dash of x equal to 3 into 5x power 4, 25 into 3x power 2, am I right? 60 into 1 plus 1 is 0. Am I right? Now simplify 15x power 4 minus 75x square plus 60. First derivative find out. Now first derivative 0 implies you will find this value 15x power 4 minus 75x square plus 60 equal to 0. Now terms are coming 15 is common. X power 4 minus 5 into x power 2 plus 4. Am I right? Now product of two number is 4. Sum of them is what? Minus 5. What are the minus 1 minus 5. So answer is x square, you know that's why x square minus 1. X square minus 4 is 1. That's very important. Only x square, x means only x minus 1, x minus 4. But a square you only know. That's why x square minus 1, x power 4 is 0. The product of two terms 0 means is the first term 0, x equal to plus or minus 1. Second term 0 of x square is 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. Am I right? Am I right? Here, the plus 1 minus 1 in the interval, x equal to plus or minus 1 belongs to the minus 2 comma 1. Am I right? And x equal to minus 2 also belongs to minus 2 comma 1. But x equal to the plus 2 is does not belong to minus 2. Am I right? Am I right? Three numbers are belongs to the interval. That's why measure the plus 2. Now x1 is what? Plus 1 minus 1 minus 2. These three values. Am I right? Out of 4 values, one value does not belong to. That's why we have only 3 values. What are the value? Minus 2, then plus 1, minus 1. Substitute x equal to minus 1 in given function. The function. Then x equal to plus 1, substitute here. X equal to minus 2, substitute here. We get 3 answers now. Out of 3 answers, which one is the maximum value? That is an absolute maximum. Which one is minimum? That is an absolute minimum. First value equal to 0, you will find x value. That x value always belongs to this interval. That's important. Suppose not belongs to me, that point neglected. The remaining numbers are substituted there in f of x. Out of 3 values find now. Out of 4 values, 1 value is neglected. Only 3 values. Substitute 1 by 1. We get the answer. F of minus 1, F of plus 1, F of minus 2. Out of these 3 values, which one maximum? That is called absolute maximum. Which one minimum? That is called absolute minimum. That's all. Substitute here 3 into minus 1 whole power 5, minus 25 into minus 1 whole power 3, plus 60 into minus 1 plus 1. Okay? Now simplify minus 3 plus 25. Am I right? Minus 60 plus 1. 63 plus 26. Am I right? Minus 7 by 37. This is the first answer. Put the box. Then x equal to 1. When x equal to 1, come on, I draw what is equal to. That is actually 3 into 1 power 5 minus 25 into 1 2 plus 60 into 1 plus 1. 3 minus 25 plus 60 plus 1. Now what is the value? 64 minus 25. Equal to 9, 39. Okay? The problem. Next answer over. When x is equal to minus 2, f of minus 2 equal to 3 into minus 2 whole power 5 minus 25 into minus 2 whole power 3 6 into minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 whole power 5 odd number that's the minus 1 now. Okay? 2 power 5 is 1 2 2s are 4 4s are 8 8 plus 16 6 is 32 32 is the maximum. Then 8. Am I right? Again minus 2, only minus plus 2 power 3 is 8. Am I right? 8 into 25 to 200. The minus 120 plus 2. Am I right? Adding this to 6, 1, 2, 6 plus 200. Now subtract minus 50. You don't find? F of minus 1, F of plus 1. F of minus 1 is what? Minus 37. Then F of 1 is what? 39. F of minus is what? Minus 50. Out of these three values, this is the maximum 39. This is the absolute maximum. Out of these two numbers, minus 50 and minus 37, minus 37 is the minimum. That's why absolute maximum is 39 at x equal to 1. Okay? And absolute minimum is minus 37 at x equal to minus 1. This is that. We have only one problem this model. Absolute maximum minimum asking in this method. We have only one problem. 5%. That's all. Now, the next exercise concept EOQ, economic order quantity. Let R be the uniform demand per unit. R represent requirement or demand. The holding cost C1 per unit. C3 means order cost or setup cost per order assigned. T be the time taken between each order. These are notation. These are symbol. C1, C2, C1, C3 or T. These are symbol. Now, economic quantity asking me the symbol for economic quantity Q naught. First by D naught after multiply R plus naught you will otherwise root R 2C3 dot by C1. From the question you will guess the C1 value, C3 value, R value after square root R by the formula. Substitute all the C1 value, C3 value and R value, then divide, take the square root by help of using the calculator, do the calculation and put the answer. Very simple. You must write the formula clearly, the substitute all the value, the simple answer. The optimum number of order per year. Number of order, optimum number N naught. N means demand by equal formula. Otherwise, reciprocal of T naught. Reciprocal of T naught. Am I right? Therefore, about T naught equal to what? Q naught by R. Am I right? T naught equal to what? Q by R. T naught. This will be equal to T naught equal to Q naught by R. Then minimum inventory cost per unit is C naught equal to root of 2C1 C3 R. Then carrying cost Q naught by 2 into C1. RA cost R by Q naught into C3. At EOQ, both will be equal. Always EOQ and EOQ both will be equal. And one more formula, total optimal cost means purchase cost plus minimum inventory cost. Am I right? This is all idea. This is all idea. This is a formula. By using this idea only one exercise. You must have all the formula. Then write the formula clearly. Then guess the value from the question C1, C3 or substitute all the value by using the calculator, do the calculation, after simplification you get the answer. That's a very simple concept. First you must study all the formula clearly. Then you get the answer easily. That's all. This is Listen here. Exercise 6.3. Item A, annual demand units 800. Unit price is rupees 0.02. This is item A. Then item B, 1%. Item C, 1%. In item A, all are asking. What are the questions asking? EOQ in units asking. Minimum average cost asking. EOQ in rupees asking. EOQ in years of supply asking. Number of order asking. All are asking. You want submission? In item A, all are asking. What is given actually? The annual demand or requirement, that is called R. The questions are clearly given. Another question. Order cost is 5 rupees per order. Order cost is 5 rupees. Then the holding cost, that means what? Carrying cost, C1 is equal to 10% of unit price is given. But 10% divided by 100 into the unit price already given 0.02. Simplify 0.00. These are all given. C1, C3, R. These are all given. What is asking? The first one is EOQ is asking. EOQ is Q0. Mind it? EOQ is Q0. What's the formula? 2R C3 by C1. Okay? Next, 2 into 800 into C3, 5 into 0.002. Okay? Now, multiply and divide, we get the answer. Remove the point decimal, or other way is calculated. Multiply all, divide by 0.002, we get the answer, right? Do the calculation of the calculator, we get the answer 460 will come. That is square root of this is what? 200, 2000. This is the answer. Okay? This is Q0. This is units. This is the first answer. By using the calculator, do the calculation. 2 into 800 into 5 multiply. Then divide by 0.002. We get the answer 4 6 zeros. Then next square root, we get 2000. First answer over. Next one is asking the minimum yearly cost is asking. Next subdivision, minimum yearly cost is asking. That is C0. Okay? 2 C1 C3 into R is the formula. 2 into C1 is 0.002 into C3 only 5. R is what? 800. Now again multiply all the value. We get the answer. Simplify. We get the answer 16. 16 is the answer. This 4 is the value. Minimum average cost is asking. The minimum cost is the same. Minimum average cost. Minimum yearly cost for the same. Minimum average cost is for C0. Root of 16 is only 6. The cost is on the side 64 rupees. Second part over. Now third part is the question what is asking? EQ in rupees is asking. EOQ in rupees is asking. That means EOQ into units is a formula. Rupees is gone. EOQ already funded 2000. Into units what? 0.02. Rupees is gone. Rupees. Now multiply. We get the answer. Multiply both. 40 rupees. This is the answer. Actually, this is the EOP units actually. Rupees means the unit price 0.0 multiply 0.0 get the EOP rupees. Then fourth one, what is asking? Remember the question? Next one. EOQ in yearly of supply is asking. EOQ in yearly of supply is asking. That is what T0 is asking. EOQ in yearly years of supply is asking. Years of supply is asking. That means T0. Time T0 no? The formula for T0 is equal to already find out Q0. Am I correct? The Q0 by R, that is the formula. Q0 by R is the formula. Q0 Q naught already find out 2000. By R is what? 800. Now cancel. 2 0 cancel. Okay? 2 0 cancel. 20 divided by 8. 4 divided by 5. 5 by 2 means what? 2 and a half. Am I right? 2 and a half. 2.5. That's the answer. Last one is fifth division. EOQ in. Is the question? EOQ in. Sorry, you are not the number of orders per year is asking. Number of order per year is asking. That means number of orders N naught is asking. The formula for N naught is what? R by Q naught. That's all. That's the formula. R is 800 by 2000. Again cancel here. 2 will fill. Am I right? 0.4. This is the answer. Number of order per year 0.04. 0.4. That's all. Anyway, demand given, C3 given, C1 is what is given? 10% of the price already given. 10% 10 by 100 into 0.02. Simplify. C1, C3 are find out. Write the formula 1 by 1. You have already find out Q naught. That's why E naught has to be Q naught by R. The N naught has to be R by Q naught. This is the formula. Easy formula. That's why direct substitute you can answer. This is actually the first subdivision. Item A. The item B, some other is given. The values are changed. Formulas are same. Item C also, the values are somewhat changed. Again, values are changed after simplifying. Am I right? This is the idea. You must know the formula. This I know the formula 5% because all the parts are asking. All the 5% are asking. Nothing. Write the formula clearly. Then substitute the value 1 by 1. This is the first subdivision. This is the one question. Item A, item B, item C given. 3 items are given. Suppose 3 problems are not possible to ask. Only one part. Item A only asking, or item B only asking, or item C only asking. It is a asking. Yeah, 5 subjects are there. All the 3 items are asking me length calculation. Am I right? That's why only one part will come. Now see here, the same thing, 6.3, first question subdivision B, that is item B. The same thing, the requirement is 400. The R is the same thing, to be fine. The carrying cost, 10% you will pay 10% 10 by 100 into you will pay only 1.00. That means 1 only. Oh, cancel the 0.11. The formulas are same. Am I right? No change. 5% asking, formulas are same. Just change the number only. 2 into R is what? 400 into C3 is what? 5 divided by 0.1. Okay. Now divide. What is the answer? Then you get the answer by using the calculator. 2 into 5. What is what? 10. 10 into 400. 4,000 divided by 0.1. Now again divide. You get the answer. We get the answer 4 zeros. Okay? 2 into 5, 10. 4,000. Point is there. Divided by 1 by 10 is reciprocal 4,000. Okay? 200 is the answer. Anyway, by using the calculator, just multiply all the value, divided by 0.1, you get the 4,000. Square root of 4,200. First answer over. Am I right? Next one, the same thing, the minimum average cost. Suppose that 2 into C1. C1 is what? 0.1 into C3. C3 is what? So 5 into requirement 400. Now multiply all the value. Only 400. Am I right? Am I right? 400 or 4,000. Can you use the calculator? Only 400. Am I right? We have multiply to 10. 10 into 0.1, 1. 1 into 4 only 20 is the answer. This is the cost, that's why 20 is the answer. In rupees also, you know, the Q naught 200 into unit is what? 1 rupees only, or 200 only. 1.0 1.0 200. Now E work in years, years means time is here. Q naught by R. Q naught is what? 200. R is what? 400. Divide 1 by 2. That is the answer. Then R by Q naught. R is what? 400. Divided by 200. Cancel 1 and 2. Number of order is 2. That is the answer. When formulas are same, the relatively small change. It is called item B. One more question is there, item C. Am I right? I do the calculation. Item A, one question. Item B, another question. Item C, another question. In this way, we do the calculation. Now, third submission is item C, 30,800, 0.20. But demand is what? 1380. This 5 is common. 10% difference is what? 10% of 0.20. Am I right? Now cancel now. What is the answer? 0.002. Am I right? That's all. 0.2. What is the answer? 10 is there no? 0.20. 0 not necessary. 0.2 divided by 10 is what? 0.02. So C1 find out. C3 given. C3 also given. Now write the formula substitute here. 2 into 1800, am I right? 30,800 into C3 is what? 5 divided by 0.02. Am I right? Now, you can multiply all the value and divide by 0.02, we get the answer 690, again 60. Am I right? 60, sorry, 40. Multiply all the value, divided by 0.02, we get the answer 690. Am I right? This came as 40, no? 40 into 690. Or square root of 140, square root of 1. Now square root of 140 means 100 come out. Am I right? 100. Into 690 square root. By using the calculator, the square root of 690 is 26.278. Am I right? 26.278. 268. The square root. So approximately one time, take 100 into 26.27. Now multiply 2627. This is called Q naught. Am I right? Am I correct? You want to multiply, you make it 69040. The 40 is separately 690 separately. Root of 140 means take a square root is 100 only will come. In the calculation, 690 square is now 26.2678. Approximately 26.27. Multiply 100. We get the answer 2627. Here also point something will come because all our points are this coming. 2 into C1 is what? 0.02. C3 is what? 5. And R is what? 13,800. Now again multiply all the value. With the help of calculator, you want to multiply all the value, we get the answer 2760. Now square root of this one is, square root of this one is what? 25535. Am I right? 25.535. 52.535. Approximately 52 rupees, 54 paise. Last of 5 now, cancel. Then as usual, EOQ rupees now. EOQ available 2627. Units part 0.20. Now multiply 0.2. We get the answer. We get the answer 25.40. Then Q naught already find out. What is Q naught? 2627 by R is what? 38,800. Now divide by the help of calculator. Divide, we get the answer 0.19036. This can be 0.19. Again, or 38,800 divided by Q naught is what? 2627. Now divide, we get the answer 5.2531. This can be as 5.253. Okay? Point minus 2 digits. That is answer. Anyway, this is no problem. By using the calculator, that's why easy value. Otherwise, long calculation will come. Write the formula clearly. Substitute all the value. Then multiply, divide, you get the answer. Sometimes there is square root also. That is the answer. Anyway, first question, item A, item B, item C. These subjects are there. All are same thing asking, but data are somewhat different. That's all. Now, second question. Read the question. A dealer has supplied his customer with 4 units of the product every week, but demand 4 units per week. Annual demand is capable of 400 into 52 weeks only, 52 weeks at least per week, 52 per year. 1 year, 52 weeks are there. That's why 52 100. The ordinary cost per yard is K equal to C equal to 70 rupees. The inventory cost or the holding cost or C1 equal to 7.5% per year unit of cost. The 7.5 means 7.5 by 100 into the cost is 50 is already given. Read the question. The cost of it is 50 per year. Per unit is given. And also per year we want week after 52 weeks. This is what I call. Am I right? Now this is again per week after. This is per year. Listen here. R represent annual demand. That's why multiply. But here we want the question is not only week, that's why per week. This is what. So C1, C3, R already find out. Now first solution, EOQ is asking. EOQ Q not 2 times C3 or by C1 formula. 2 into C3 is what? C3 is what? 75 into R is what? 452. Divided by here 7.5 into 500. It is 50 by 2. Am I right? Now reciprocal is 2 into 75 into 400 into 52 into again 100 into 52 divided by 7.5 into 50. Now already told you multiply all the number, multiply here, then divide, you get the answer square root of 83230. Am I right? Approximately 93 is the answer. By using the calculator, you get the answer 913. Because of the calculator, they are easy for you for this problem. Actually. Otherwise, not possible to get the book answer. You will find the answer by using calculator. One more part is asking, first one is over, the total optimum cost is asking. Second part, total optimum cost asking. That means which is equal to purchasing cost plus minimum annual cost. Purchasing cost and minimum annual cost. Minimum annual cost. Purchase cost is what? Requirement into the cost. The requirement is 400 per week into 50 rupees. That's the cost. Minimum annual cost is what? PC1, C3R. Now multiply 0, 0, again 0, okay? Plus 2 into C1 is what? 7.5 by 100 into 50 by 2, 52 into R is what? C3 is what? 75 into R is what? 400 into 52. Again, you want to multiply all the value, then divided by 152. Am I right? Then simplify, we get the answer. Am I right? Now, our simplification, 2000 plus 2000 plus. Now here, multiply, multiply all the value, then divide by, again multiply this value, then divide it, you get the answer. Here by chance, what is the answer now? 52. Am I right? This was the answer. Am I right? Now multiply all the value, you get the answer. 4326.92307. Now again this round off figure at 31.9231 here 4326 again 2000 here plus then square top 4326.9231 again the calculator you get the answer 65.7793. Am I right? Then adding this value 2065.7793. The approximate is rupees no. Total outlet cost rupees no. That's why 2066 will be 0.77 no. 78 will come. Approximately 2066. That is the answer. This is the answer for. Am I right? Actually here 40 no. Here also 40. Here also 40. Here also 40. What is the answer? Am I right? 20066. Because the point something omitted. Round up. You want to take the answer in the round up because of cost. That is the answer. Here also same method. But here only small idea. The ordinary cost directly given. The inventory cost or holding cost C1 is 7.5% per order cost. Cost also given. Here you know what to believe. That's why divided by 52 multiplied 50. Percentage is 7.5 by 100. This takes out. Then write the formula and substitute the answer. We have only two problems in this exercise. Both of us are over. Now exam problem also I want to do. Page number 47, 147, exam 6.30. This is the question. A company uses 48,000 units per year. Our demand is equal to 48,000 per year. For raw material costing rupees 2.5 per unit. Per unit cost is what? 2.5. Placing each order cost is the ordering cost. See, this is 40. And the carrying cost, that is not inventory cost or setup cost. This C1 is what? Carrying cost 10.5% per year of the unit price. 10.5 of the percentage of the per year of the unit price. That is unit price actually. Unit price means unit price. Am I right? This is given. Am I right? So 10.8% and 10.8 per 100. The unit price is only 2.5 per unit. You want to multiply and divide, you get 0.27. All find out given, C3 find out, C1 also find out. Now what is asking? The first question, EOQ is asking, this Q not equal to, what's the number? 2 times C3 or C1. Am I right? So Q not C into C3 is what? 45 into R is what? 48,000 divided by this one, 0.27. Now, multiply all the value, divided by 0.27, you get the answer 60. Check yourself. Now 430. This is called Q. This is the answer. First answer over. 4,000 units. Now next part, what is the number of order per year is Second subdivision, number of order per year is asking. அப்ப n naught is equal to சொல்றா அடே சொல்லுங்க n naught is equal to r by q naught. R by q naught. R is what? 4000. Q naught is what? Sorry, 4800. 48,000. Here 4,000. Okay. Now divide. What is answer? 12. Okay. Number of order per year is 12. Third subdivision what is asking now, and also what is asking now, the time between the order is asking. Third one, the time T naught is asking. Time between order. Time between the orders is T naught. Let's put up Q naught by R. 4,000 by 48,000. Divide 1 by 2. That is the answer. 3 parts are asking now. Over. Then one more condition is asking, and also verify that at EOQ, what is asking? The carrying cost and order cost will be equal. One more formula for carrying cost equal. What is the formula? Carrying cost Q naught by 2 into C1. This answer. Carrying cost and ordering cost. Ordering cost. What is the formula? R by Q naught into C3. This is the formula. At the EOQ, the ordering cost will be equal to always carrying cost. Very important concept. This one very big. Ordering cost. Definitely both terms will be equal. Mind it. Substitute here Q naught 4,000 by 2. The C1 is what? 0.27. Now multiply 2,000. Now again multiply. We get the answer 540. Please. Here R is again 4,000. 4,800. Sorry, 40,000 by R is 4,000. The C is what? 45. Again multiply divide. Cancel no? Multiply divide with answer 540 always will be equal. This is asking. Also verify that at EOQ the ordering cost will be equal to carrying cost. Or carrying cost will be equal to ordering cost. Or asking. That's one more formula. Q naught by 2 into C1. R by Q naught C1. This is another formula. Both are equal. This is already to be said here. Am I right? Okay, what is 3 parts are asking? The minimum average cost not asking. Suppose that asking it, you will find the formula, you know. Which formula? Root of 2 C1 R1. Sorry, C1 C3 into R. That is the formula. Square root of 2 C1 C3 R. That is the formula for minimum yearly cost. That is not asking. Is that final question? You must follow the formula. Now 6.31. Now read the question. The manufacturer has to supply 12,000 per unit. That is demand R. Next is the ordering cost C3 is 100 per hour clearly given. The carrying cost is 0.80 per item per month. Am I right? Per item per month is given. The item per month means you want around here. That's why multiple. That's all. The each item's cost is not given. That's why we not multiply the cost. Only 0.80 per month is coming to year. That's 12 year. 12 per year. Multiply. Now what is the question? First one, the economic order quantity EOQ is also this formula. 2 into 100 into R is what? 12,000 into 5. Here 9.6. Now multiply all the number. We get the answer 2540. Now if they let square 500 will come. This is the first answer. Right? The next part, next one is what? Number of order per year asking. Same formula. R by Q naught. R is what? 12,000. Q naught is 500. Am I right? Cancel. We get the answer 24. Am I right? The third subject what is asking. The question is optimum optimum time per order is asking. Time per order is asking. That means 1 by T naught. Number of order. That is E naught find out. Next one is optimum time per order. That means the 1 by time N is 1 by 24. This is actually what? 1 by 24, that is a month cycle. Month given no? This kind of as 1 by 24 into, you want to convert the number of days. Am I right? For 1 by 24 means, actually this is a year day per order. The month, per month is covered year, no? That's why year only, this is the answer. The year is covered monthly, covered multiple 12. Am I right? That is what? 1 by 2 months. Am I right? 1 by 2 months is what? Half month is what? 50 days. That is the answer. Actually, per month 30 days, half month is 50 days. That is the answer. For 2 more problems, sir. Example problem, do yourself. The same method. Exercise problems over. Some important example problems over. 2 more problems, sir. Do yourself. This exercise completely over. 1 more exercise also